So we've created a database called Music Store. Our next step is to add tables to our database. Click on the Music Store database. To create a table with SQL, we need to use the Create Table SQL statement. So let's click on the SQL tab. Let's begin with Create Table, followed by the table name. So in this case, we want to create an artist table. So type in artist. Now that we have the name for the table, we need to add some fields to the table, and these fields will hold the data for each record. Let's create an artist ID field to begin with. We've got a name for our field. Let's add a data type. In this case, I want to use it as an int because I want to be able to accept numerical values. I'm going to give it a size of 11, and I would like this to auto increment every time a new record has been added to the table. So we type in auto underscore increment, comma. Let's add a new field. In this case, artist name, and the data type we're going to use a varchar with a size of 256. Now I've got the two field names I have within the table, and I want to add a primary key. So what we do is type in primary key, open a bracket, and type in the field name we want as our primary key. In this case, I want the artist ID to be the primary key. Once that's complete, close off the SQL statement, followed by a semicolon, and click on Go. You can see that our MySQL has returned a success result, and our artist table has now been created. And that is how you use the Create Table SQL statement to create a table in a database.